haven't even taken 5 steps and I'm already loving this place. Today we are at Abu Dhabi's unique waterfront destination Al Qana to check out the National Aquarium. It's the biggest aquarium here in the Middle East and said to be better than any of the other aquariums here in the region. It houses jellyfish, super snakes and hundreds of sharks. Let's go explore it. From UAE's national treasures, fiery volcanoes, flooded forests, and a frozen ocean and sunken sea wrecks. Let's go check them out. Amounts of stingray. We're about to see some very big ones. These are called freaky eyes. It's actually freaking me out. It's a 50 centimeter spiny lobster. I'm about to go find Nemo right now. One of the most magical zones in the National Aquarium. All the Arctic species here in the frozen ocean. You can actually see them swimming here. Wow, this is a whole new world down there. Hi! Reticulated python. It's called a super snake at the National Aquarium and it's believed to be the largest living snake in the world. It needs 12 people to hold it at full length. I'm kind of having a Harry Potter moment here. The snake's right there. I'm glad that there is a distance, safe distance.
Move!
Move! He's asleep. He's boring.
There's an actual rainforest here with free-flying birds and the waterfall and these fishes. This is the largest tunnel in the Middle East and it just feels like you're swimming along with the fishes. I thought that was the end of it, but here we are on the first floor to see something more. Let's go check out what it is. All rescued animals will receive immediate first aid and will be transported to the National Aquarium, and after the treatment is done, they're all going to be released into the sea. The birds and animals over here are treated so well that they actually have a menu of the day designed for every day with appetizers, starters, main course and side dishes. How cute! We're going to fish feed now. Here comes our dog! In an aquarium, and that too glass bottom. I have seen, the corals, the creatures, the 46,000 species, mind blown. Visiting the National Aquarium is a perfect opportunity to come and experience an underwater adventure like no other.